7 most effective foods that help you sleep better. Sleep affects every aspect of health. Fortunately, some foods and drinks contain compounds that help control parts of the sleep cycle, meaning that they may help a person both fall and stay asleep. Many chemicals, amino acids, enzymes, nutrients, and hormones work together to promote good sleep and regulate the sleep cycle. Taking both traditional knowledge and scientific research into account, as well as nutritional profiles, here are the best foods and drinks for sleep. So keep watching the video. 1. Almonds. Almonds are rich in melatonin, which supports regular sleeping patterns. Almonds contain high doses of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate the sleeping and waking cycle. A 1 ounce Oz serving of whole almonds also contains 77 mg/mg of magnesium and 76 mg of calcium, 2 minerals that may help promote muscle relaxation and sleep. Almonds are also a healthful evening snack, as they are high in good fats and low in sugar and saturated fats. 2. Warm milk. Warm milk is a common home remedy for sleeplessness. Milk contains 4 sleep-promoting compounds: tryptophan, calcium, vitamin D, and melatonin. However, the childhood association that many people have between a warm cup of milk and bedtime may be more effective than tryptophan or melatonin in promoting sleep. Like a cup of tea, having a warm cup of milk before bed can be a relaxing nightly ritual. 3. Kiwi fruit. Some research has looked at the link between kiwi consumption and sleep. In one small study, people who ate 2 kiwi fruits 1 hour before bedtime for 4 weeks experienced improved total sleep time and sleep efficiency and also took less time to fall asleep. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is popular for its calming properties. The herb chamomile is a traditional remedy for insomnia. Researchers think that a flavonoid compound called apigenin is responsible for chamomile's sleep-inducing properties. Apigenin seems to activate GABA receptors, a process that helps stimulate sleep. Although research has found only weak evidence that chamomile may improve sleep quality, having a warm cup of tea can be a soothing ritual to help a person mentally prepare for bed. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts contain a few compounds that promote and regulate sleep, including melatonin, serotonin, and magnesium. Each 100-gram serving of walnuts also contains other nutrients that can help sleep. Walnuts are high in melatonin, but researchers have not yet proven a solid association between eating these nuts and improved sleep. 6. Tart cherries. Cherries are rich in 4 different sleep-regulating compounds: melatonin, tryptophan, potassium, and serotonin. Researchers speculate that antioxidants called polyphenols in tart cherries may also influence sleep regulation. In a 2018 review on the health benefits of cherries, the authors found a positive correlation between improved sleep and cherry consumption. The researchers also concluded that the anti-inflammatory properties of cherries might help reduce pain after strenuous exercise and improve cognitive function. Tart cherries also make a good snack before bed because they are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin E. 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish may help improve sleep because they are a good source of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, 2 nutrients that help regulate serotonin. Serotonin is largely responsible for establishing a fixed sleeping and waking cycle. Fatty fish are typically also high in a few other sleep-promoting nutrients. In a 2014 study, participants who ate 300 grams of Atlantic salmon 3 times a week for 6 months fell asleep more quickly and functioned better during the day than those who ate chicken, beef, or pork with the same nutritional value. The researchers concluded that these benefits were primarily due to an increase in vitamin D levels, as well as possible improvements in heart rate regulation due to the omega-3 content. 8. Pistachios. Loaded with essential nutrients such as vitamin B6, proteins, magnesium, pistachios can help induce sleep. But again, consume them in moderation because anything that is high on calories can make you stay awake rather than inducing sleep. 9. Bananas. Bananas are a rich source of magnesium, and they also contain tryptophan. Both these help in inducing a good night's sleep. Along with magnesium, bananas are also rich in potassium, which serves as a muscle and nerve relaxant. 10 Bananas. Bananas are a rich source of magnesium, and they also contain tryptophan. Both these help in inducing a good night's sleep. Along with magnesium, bananas are also rich in potassium, which serves as a muscle and nerve relaxant. Many foods contain nutrients, chemicals, and other compounds that help control the body's sleep cycle. Preliminary studies show that several types of nut, fruit, and seafood may improve sleep. People have used other foods and drinks for decades to treat insomnia and improve sleep. Most potentially sleep-promoting foods are nutritious and unlikely to cause harm, so they should be safe for anyone without allergies to enjoy in moderation. To get the potential benefits of some sleep-promoting foods, try eating them a few hours before bed to reduce the risk of indigestion and acid reflux. Please give us a like if you found these tips helpful. Comment below if you have some healthy snacks that help you sleep. Subscribe for more wellness videos.